வந்தது ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட், வாங்கினது அருண் எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவா. எல்லாமே நல்ல விஷயம்தான்.
நல்ல ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி, நல்ல சாப்பாடு, நல்ல செக்யூரிட்டி. வந்தேன், பார்த்தேன், வாங்கினேன்.
தங்க போறேன் வாடகைக்கு ஜீவால. இந்த ஓடி ஓடி உழைக்கணுமெல்லாம் ஓவர். அதோ அந்த பறவை போல அப்படி வாழ போறேன்.
அருண் எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவா அனைத்து வசதிகளோடு டிசம்பர் முதல் செயல்படும். ஜீவா, the active retirement community. Call 2841-2841.
Hi guys, you're watching me on Aviators in the Balgai show. Along with me is Miss Beautiful Madhubala madam. You must remember her from Roja Gentleman Days. She is with me and she's here to share a lot of views on women and etc. How is it being here, ma'am, in Chennai?
Fantastic. I love it.
Okay, let's go to the show, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Very, very well. Thank you.
Nice to have you back in Chennai.
Thank you.
So, how does it feel to be in Chennai and meet your Bollywood friends?
Chennai is my hometown. This is where I come from. This is where I belong. So I've come back to my home.
So, after all the hits you enjoyed in your early days, and that I think that was the golden days of Tamil cinema. How do you feel about it? From Roja.
I don't know about Tamil cinema's golden days.
Okay.
Because Tamil cinema has amazing actors.
Okay.
But yeah, they were golden days for me for sure.
And the movies ran a lot of time at theatres and they had all producers made profits.
Yeah.
Lots of actresses and actors were established at that time. But now the times have changed.
Yeah.
Even a week's run is celebrated as a success.
Yeah.
What is your feel about how it is going on?
You know, I don't like to comment on that because we belong to the changing times. Life is changing, we have to change. Now there are platforms like Netflix, Amazon and MX Player and Hotstar, and there are so many platforms. So if a movie plays even for 1 week and then it comes on Netflix, so it's alright. Because back in the day there was no Netflix, there was no Amazon. So the producers, I guess, must be making money in other ways. So I don't know the economics, but I know that this is, according to me, one of the best time for actors. Because now we can work in movies, we can work in Netflix, we can work in Amazon, we can work in TV, we can work for YouTube, we can work. All the actors are busy now and there are fantastic roles. So I think this is a golden period for all of us actors.
So you're happy about the technological advancement? It's a boon for the actors.
I think so. Because as an actor, I'm not even thinking about how much money an actor makes. So I don't know whether you make more money in TV or you make more money in cinema, you make more, I don't know. But if you want to act, you can act and there are many people to watch it.
I love you னு மெசேஜ் அனுப்புற. இரு வர.
ஹாய்.
எவ்ளோ தைரியம் உனக்கு? என்னது?
முதல்ல ஒரு நல்ல டீ, அப்புறமா கோவப்படலாம்.
மனதை மயக்கும் சுவையுடன் அபீஸ் பிரீமியம் டஸ்ட் டீ.
எதுக்கு இப்படி மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்ச? இது நீ நேர்லயே சொல்லிருக்கலாம்ல.
அபீஸ்.
So again, being with your co-star, Mr. Prabhu sir, after Panjalam Guruchi, that was a super duper hit and excellent musical, and that song is still remembered now. It's still famous for many. It's still a favorite for many people.
Yeah.
So how does it feel to be paired up again with Prabhu sir?
As I said, Prabhu sir is a fantastic co-actor, fantastic actor, but more than that, he's a very dear friend of mine. I call him my Anna, I call him G. He's a very, very kind person. And avaroda thirpi to work again with him and to sing songs. We sang some songs in the film, so it was very nice. And Panjalam Guruchi songs were really amazing. Of course, that song became very famous. But my favorite song is Ottayilla nikkidinda rosa ஆத்தோட தோட்டத்துல அத்தான சந்திக்கதா ஆசை வச்சே. That's my favorite song.
And now I don't think you just remember the bonding between you and Prabhu sir alone. You were also reminiscent about the food that has come from his place.
Yeah.
So it's Sivaji sir's home is very famous for the food which comes to the sets.
I believe the non-vegetarian food in his house is amazing because I hear all the other actors saying our enna kekra
mean kodambu.
Yeah adala, but for me the ney and the tair and simple things that come from his house, pure ghee, all that is very special.
But you seem to be loving food so much, and even after so many years, I think you're going to give a tough competition to the latest generation of actors. So how do you, what are the tips you can give to the women who are watching this episode to maintain their health and fitness?
I don't know how to give advice.
Okay, how do you maintain your health and fitness then?
I listen to myself. I spend a lot of time with myself. and I every day ask myself, what is it about myself that I like, and what is it about myself that I don't like. So I change. If I'm eating unhealthy food, then I decide that I must not eat. How much to work out, how much not to work out. I'm constantly meeting myself and making different choices for myself, which I think is healthy. And then of course I do all the healthy things. I keep looking at all the healthy things to be done. I do them and I then pray to God that God take care of me.
And all about the women issues that's going on in the city.
Yeah.
It's very worse now. It's not very safe for women out
Yeah.
here. But there are a few women who are supporting the other issues going on.
Yeah.
They're voicing out. Social media has become a big platform for them to talk about what are the issues that is happening against women. So
Yeah.
what are your views on it?
Women issues, I think they were always there. Right now it's become, I don't know if it has become more, but definitely it's come out, it's vocalized. There are media, social media, there's a lot of talk going on. And in my opinion, apart from all other things that all other women are tackling and tackling the issues, my main thing is that every man must be sensitized. When we talk about women empowerment or feminism or whatever, we are always focusing on women. But I think every man must be sensitized to women's empowerment. Every brother, every husband, every son, every woman must teach her son how to respect a woman. Every woman who's a mother who's raising a son and a daughter must raise them equally. The son must also clean and the daughter must also be allowed the education. The equality has to be established in the heart of a man and a woman. A woman should not always fight for her position. A man must willingly share the position with respect and love. So it's not about wearing pants and becoming a man. For a woman, that is not the fight. It's about wearing a sari and being a woman and feel safe in this world which belongs to a man and a woman equally. So a man must know, because man's muscle is stronger, it doesn't mean he's better. So these are the things that, in a women's empowerment and feminism, a man must be sensitized, and we should live kindly with love with one another as a man, woman of the same species. We are not cats and dogs, we are not lions and tigers. Man is not a lion and we are not a sheep that a lion will pounce to eat. So we should believe that we are same, just different gender, and respect one another.
நம்ம சொந்தங்களெல்லாம் ஒன்னா சேர்ந்தாலே கொண்டாட்டம் தான். அன்பை பரிமாறிக்கிறதும் அழகான கதைகள் பேசிக்கிறதும் ஒரே சிரிப்பு மழைதான். அதே சமயம் மனசுக்குள்ள பழைய நினைவுகளும் அலைமோதும். ஆனா நம்ம சந்தோஷம் எதிர்பார்க்காம தேடி வரும்போது நம்ம அன்பான சொந்தங்களோட நெருக்கத்தை உணர்ற அந்த தருணம் மனசுல தேங்கி நிற்கிற அன்பு கண்கள்ல கண்ணீர் வழியா மட்டும்தான் பொங்கும். தங்கமான உறவுகளின் அழகான பந்தம். NAC Jewelers.
But don't you think it's still a male chauvinistic society? They just let you have all the rivers in the names of girls. They say Bharata Mata, this and that. Somehow they brainwash you into believing that we still respect women. But I don't think even in the homes, like you said, the women are still restricted to their cooking section and taking care of children.
So that's where the change has to come. Man, please change. Mothers, please change. Mother-in-laws, please change. So if women, sometimes women do the worst thing to women. The mothers-in-laws, they do the worst thing to a girl. So, the change has to come in the heart. Society, the world, everything will reflect. Bring it in your heart, bring it in your home. It is not in the newspaper, it is not on a platform. Women's Day celebrating on big stage, and social media is not about celebrating. Go to your house and respect your wife and your daughter, and bring it in your house where no one knows. So bring the change in your heart.
You are a wonderful mother and you have raised brilliant kids, 2 daughters. So how have you raised them? What have you told them after they get married about independence and being not dependent on their husband or father-in-law or anyone?
Yeah, I say those things.
The financial freedom.
I say that you must all work. Every girl must find independence, economic independence, and you must truly stay for love and not for any other reasons. And you should learn to sacrifice. You should, because in love we do sacrifice, and there is no harm in sacrificing. Being a feminist does not mean that you don't do few things for the man. It's nice to do a few things for anybody, man, like we serve our children. When a mother is up all night for her child, she's not saying that why am I up all night? It comes from love. Does any mother complain that I stayed up all night for my child? But if a man makes you awake all night, if you're doing something for your husband or brother or father, you will complain. So don't complain. When in love, you people do. So stay in a place in love, and that will take care of all situations. Love and then respect. If these two are there, you don't have to fight. You don't have to become a feminist. You don't have to talk about women's empowerment. You don't have to celebrate Women's Day. If there is love and respect, every day is a woman's day. Every day is a man's day.
இந்த வருஷம் யாருமே டார்கெட் அச்சீவ் பண்ணல. அத பத்தி தான் இன்னைக்கு 6 மணி வரை நாம பேச போறோம்.
சார், டீ.
நைஸ். அபீஸ் டீ.
இது உயர்தரமான தேயிலையில் தயாரானது.
இதன் சுவையும் மனமும் ஆஹா.
சார், இந்த டீல
டீ குடிச்சுக்கிட்டே மணிக்கணக்கா பேசுவாங்க. ஆனா இந்த டீய பத்தியே மணிக்கணக்கா பேசலாம்.
ஒன் மோர்.
அபீஸ் பிரீமியம் டஸ்ட் டீ.
இன்னைக்காவது டார்கெட்டை பத்தி பேசலாமா?
சார், டீ.
Do you think that just because of lack of education in rural areas, the women are dependent on the men, the husbands mostly for the financial thing, and that is why they are not telling about other people about the abuse which is happening inside? How should the rural women come out of those things?
These are very, very deep questions that cannot be answered. If I answer in one line, it will show how ignorant I am, because not having lived that life and then I'm making a judgment and giving a solution, it cannot be. But all I know is that we are a part of a social conditioning, cultural conditioning. This is how our culture has been. This is how socially we are raised. Things like that don't change overnight, but it can change slowly but surely. And I don't want to make just a sweeping comment on a rural situation, not having been there. I don't know the real condition there. Whatever I might say may not be right, but all I pray is that if there is respect, when I say respect for a man from the woman, and respect for the woman from a man, and love for each other, I think we'll go a long way in taking care of small situations. It's not about who is earning or who's cooking. It's about each one plays their role well. I think that's all right. It doesn't matter if I have to stay home and cook, and if my husband has to go out and earn. Doesn't matter. That's a role we play in a family unit. So that is not the problem. The problem is the attitude after that. Just because I earn money doesn't mean I can beat my wife. And just because I'm just sitting in the house and cooking and taking care of my child doesn't make me a weak person. It requires a lot of strength to take care of your home. So I don't want to make just a generalized comment. I want to be very careful in what I say. But one thing I know very surely, that if there is love and respect, many situations can be tackled.
பருப்புனா உதயம் பருப்பு மட்டும் தான் வாங்கணும்.
இதுவும் 1 கிலோ, உதயம் பருப்பும் 1 கிலோ. சேம் குவாண்டிட்டி தானே?
குவாண்டிட்டியை முடிவு பண்றது இடையில இல்ல, பருப்போட உபரியில தான் இருக்கு.
உதயம் பருப்பு பார்த்து பார்த்து தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டது. Z சீரிஸ் டெக்னாலஜியில் தூய்மையாக்கப்பட்டது. உதயத்தின் ஒவ்வொரு பருப்பிலும் நேச்சுரல் புரோட்டீன்ஸ் பாதுகாக்கப்படுகிறது. அதனால் உபரி அதிகம்.
புரியுதா? உதயம் பருப்புல செஞ்சா அதிக குவாண்டிட்டி கிடைக்கும்.
எனக்கு புரியுது, அவங்களுக்கும் நல்லா புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்.
Thank you, thanks a lot. You just proved that it isn't about beauty. Beauty மட்டும் கிடையாது cinema actresses. It's all about brains also, and you're one of the talented people here in this industry. You have so much social responsibility with whatever you've spoken now. I think viewers must have understood that actresses can't be taken just for granted. They're not the glamour dolls. So thanks a lot, man. Thanks for the time.
Thank you so much.
How has it been part of this AVS, the Balgai Talk Show?
I love talking because I love to share my views. So thank you for giving me this opportunity in this platform to share my views.